Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to do question number 6. So let us start. Solve 4 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 24. Okay, so if I expand this, what will happen? That implies 8x, 4 into 2x is 8x, 4 into 3 is 12 is equal to 24. So therefore 8x is equal to 24 minus 12, which is 12, or 24 plus 12, which is 36. So therefore the value of x is 36 divided by 8, which is 4.5. So 9 by 2 or 4.5. That is the answer. Very straightforward, basic question. Okay, let us get to the second part. 6x plus 14 is greater than 6. So 6x plus 14 is greater than 6. That implies 6x plus 14 minus 6 is greater than 0. So I am taking this 6 to the other side, it will become minus 6. So 6x plus 8 is greater than 0. So from here I will get 6x is greater than minus 8. If I take this plus 8 to the other side, it will be minus 8. So x is greater than minus 8 by 6, or the correct answer is x is greater than minus 4 by 3. That is the solution for the question. Okay, next B. Rearrange the formula to make y the subject. So v is equal to 2x cube minus 3y cube. So what I want is I want to make y the subject. So keep this on this side and take it to the other side. So take it to the other side. So that implies v minus 2x cube is equal to minus 3y cube, and now I'll take minus 3 to the other side. It is multiplying here and it will divide. So y cube would be equal to v minus 2x cube divided by minus 3. Therefore y cube is equal to minus v by 3 plus 2 by 3 x cube, or I can write it as 2x cube minus v by 3. So that is what y cube is. So y would be equal to cube root of 2x cube minus v divided by 3, and that is the final answer. Since it is an odd root, we need not take plus or minus. If it was like y power 4, then we should take a plus or minus. Otherwise, for odd roots 3, 5, 7, we need not take anything. So the correct answer is cube root of 2x cube minus v divided by 3. Yes, this completes the question. Part C. Show that 2n minus 5 whole square minus 13 is a multiple of 4 for all integer values of n. Okay, so 2n minus 5 whole square minus 13. This would be equal to 2n whole square minus 2 into 2n into 5 plus 5 whole square minus 13. 2n whole square is 4n square. 2 into 2n is 4n. 4n into 5 is 20n plus 25 minus 13. This is equal to 4n square minus 20n plus 12. And now what I can write is I can take 4 common, which is n square minus 5n plus 3, and we can see that since for all integer values of n, n square minus 5n plus 3 is an integer, and so it is multiplied with 4, and so 2n minus 5 whole square minus 13 is a multiple of 4. Okay, because whatever n value of n you take, n square minus 5n plus 3 will be a multiple of 4. and e is an integer, and once it is an integer, 4 into an integer is a multiple of 4, and so this is the correct answer. Okay, so let us go to question number D. The expression can be written in the form q minus 2 into x plus p whole square. Find the value of p and the value of q. Okay, so 5 plus 12x minus 2x square. I can write it as 5 plus, I'll take 2 common, 6x minus x square. So this can be written as 5 plus 2 into 2 into 3 into x minus x square. Or I will take, instead of plus 2, I will write it as minus 2 into. And so this will become x square minus 2 into 3 into x. Okay. So now this one within the bracket, what I will do is x square minus 2 into 3 into x plus 3 square minus 3 square. Okay. Now why did I do that? So that I can make it a perfect square. So if you see, this is a perfect square. So this would be equal to 5 minus 2 into x square minus 2 into 3 into x plus 3 square. And this minus 3 square, again I'll bring it out. Minus 2 into minus, which is plus 2 into 3 square, is 18. So this is 23 minus 2 into x minus 3 whole square. Right? So this is x minus 3 whole square. So this is 23 minus 2 into x minus 3 whole square. And now comparing with q minus 2 into x plus p whole square, what will I get? P would be minus 3 and q would be 23. So P is minus 3 and Q is 23. This completes the question. So the most important thing is you are adding a b square and then subtracting a b square again and then taking it out of the bracket. That is the place where so many people make mistakes. Okay, write down the coordinates of the maximum point of the curve. So the maximum point of the curve a into x plus h whole square minus b is minus h. A into x plus h whole square minus k is minus h and k. And so here it is 23 minus 2 into x minus 3 whole square. And so the maximum point is h is equal to 3 and k is equal to 23. So 3 comma 23. So comparing a into x plus h whole square minus k with 23 minus 2 into x minus 3 whole square, the value of h would be what is in the bracket. So it is 3. The negative of what is in the bracket and what is outside of the bracket, the constant, which is 23, is the value of k. Okay, now the E bit, last bit. The energy of a moving object is directly proportional to the square of the speed. So E is proportional to V square. So what can I say? E1 by E2 is equal to V1 by V2 whole square. So it is given that the speed of the object is increased by 30%. So, or E2 by E1 is equal to V2 by V1 whole square. You can use any one of them. So, given that V2 is equal to 130 by 100 into V1, which is 1.3 V1. Why? Because the speed has increased by 30%. So, 100 plus 30 divided by 100 into V1, which is 1.3 V1. So substituting it, what will I get? So E2 by E1 is equal to 1.3 whole square, which is 1.69, or E2 will be equal to 1.69 into E1. Okay, so therefore percentage increase would be equal to E2 minus E1 divided by E1 into 100%. 1.69 E1 minus E1 divided by E1 into 100%, which is 0.69 into 100%. E1 will get cancelled everywhere, which is 69%. And so the improvement that is needed, or the percentage increase in the energy, is 69%. So this is directly easy to understand. If 100 becomes 130, then what is 100 in the energy will become 169. That 10 to 13, 10 square to 13 square. So the increase would be 69%. So this completes this question. Let us meet in another video. Until then, all the best. Thank you.